Let's create Windows bootable USB. Go to Microsoft website, download create Windows installation media. Let's install the software. You can double click or you can select run as administrator option for software installation. In this point, you need to accept their license agreement. Next, we'll select create installation media option. Then select language, edition and architecture. I select both options for architecture, 32-bit and 64-bit. Finally, select your flash drive. Now it will take some time. And it's ready for use. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.